This is our Wi-Fi smart curtain switch module designed with RF frequency. Now let's wire it to transform our traditional curtain into a smart one. This is a smart switch module, which is the neutral wire required. And then wire the forward and reverse wire, L1 output and L2 output respectively, together with the switch wire to the traditional switch in the S1 and S2 position. Now we need to wire the switch module to the curtain motor. After the wiring is done, we can power on the curtain module for controlling. Long press the reset button until you hear beeps for network pairing. After adding the curtain switch module into Smart Life app successfully, we can now intelligently control it. Hide the curtain switch module into the wire box behind the traditional switch with its mini design. On/off your house curtains without any interference. App control works extremely well to open your curtains anywhere you like. Pair the curtain switch module with our RF remote to control in another way. Press the reset button by 5/6/7 times to pair the on, off and stop button respectively. Now you can control your curtain with the RF remote easily. You can also control your curtain with Alexa by voice command.
Alexa, turn off bedroom curtain.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on bedroom curtain.
Okay.